Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily back up your iPhone or iPad to your Mac computer. So the first thing you want to do is go on your Mac, and then you want to find the Apple logo right here, click on this, then about this Mac, and check your firmware right here. If you're running a macOS Catalina, macOS Big Sur, or newer macOS firmwares, then we're going to be using the Finder app to back up our Mac. If you're running macOS Mojave or older, you need to use iTunes. So what we're going to do first of all, to back up our Mac or macOS Catalina newer, is we're just going to open up the Finder application right here, and you'll be brought to this page. And the next step is you want to connect your iPhone to your Mac computer. Now, if you have the regular USB Type-A to Lightning charger, you will need a USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug my iPhone into the computer right here. There we go. And you can see my iPhone is now charging. Now you can see on my iPhone as well, we see trust this computer. We'll tap on trust. And then we need to enter in our iPhone's passcode. So I'll enter that one in. And once we've done this, now we can access our iPhone via Finder. Now, if you're on macOS Mojave and older, instead of opening up a Finder, you would just search up for iTunes. So there's the search bar right here. Search up for iTunes and you would open up that instead. And then the process is the exact same. Just connect your device and then let's proceed. So we'll just click on our iPhone. And once we clicked on this, we'll just tap on trust again. And because we've already trusted the connection, it will bring us right through. And so the user interface between Finder app and iTunes is virtually the same. So if you're running the older macOS firmwares, it should be quite easy to understand what we're doing. Because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and you see backup now. We're just going to enable this option right here. Now we also have an option to encrypt local backup. And if you encrypt the backup, you'll be able to add your password and all of your personal information here. So, you know, the keychain, that will be backed up, and also other sensitive personal data. So it's up to you whether or not you want to do that. But if you want to enable it, remember, you have to remember your password. Otherwise, you will not be able to back up your device via iTunes or Finder anymore. I would recommend just keeping it off if you're a forgetful person. Otherwise, I would use the password with something really easy like 111 or like 1111. You get the point, so you do not forget the password. Because again, if you do, then you can say bye-bye to backing up your iPhone on the computer. So what we do is we tap on backup now, and now the process will do its thing. So you will see we have this spinning wheel right here, and also we can't, do another backup while this is happening. So all we need to do is just leave your iPhone connected to the computer. You can minimize Finder or iTunes, but don't close it. And once this process is done, you will see you'll be able to back up again. You'll be able to restore the backup, and the spinning wheel should be gone. So really, that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.